Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. So let us see what is coming up, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking 3 cards for your general energies and 3 cards for what your person feels about this relationship, and 3 cards for what you feel about this relationship. So the first 3 cards is the general energy reading, and 3 cards for what your person feels about this relationship or this connection, and 3 cards for your energies. What is your feeling or energy about this relationship, guys? So let us start with the general reading. Wheel of Fortune, the Tower, the Emperor, with these cards, Virgos, you are heading towards some kind of lucky things. You are establishing yourself in your work. Maybe certain opportunities are coming your way, guys, and you are feeling extremely lucky and fortunate in that position, and you are stabilizing your position, maybe in work or in your personal life. As a person, people have certain views about you and they look up to you as a particular person. So you may be somebody who helps them a lot, a really great person in their view, and they look up to you for guidance, for protection, or you may look up to somebody for guidance and protection. So that is the energy here, guys, and you hold authority over certain people in your life. This may be the people who are working under you, and you are really happy to be there in that position today, guys. Maybe there are certain because of your position, because of your status you may feel certain kind of distancing. This may be out of respect for you. People may not come and speak to you outright. They may have great respect for you, so that may be the reason that they stay at a distance away from you. So some kind of isolation is there, isolation energy that is there, guys, and certain things may be coming to an end. Maybe some kind of changes in your work situation or in your family life. You may be going through certain changes, change of residence, something like that. Some changes are happening. It can even be some kind of an emotional change that is happening within you, guys. So that is the general energy here with these cards, Virgo. So what is the energy of your person here? Let us turn the cards. Page of Wands in reverse, 10 of Wands in reverse, 9 of Swords in reverse. So the energy with these cards, Virgos, is that this person is having certain kind of fears or doubts in this relationship. They may be they may have certain confusions, and they are coming with some news. This may not totally be a good news, guys. It may be something sad. Certain difficulties they are facing in this relationship. So some of them, they may be having troubles having trust on you. They feel they are facing some fears, suspicions are there, and they are feeling ashamed. Maybe this may be what to say, because of their expectations or some situations they would have been in this relationship. So they are not clear about this relationship. They are really confused. They don't know what to do. They are feeling awkward. Some kind of distress is there in this relationship. So let us see, what do you feel about this relationship, guys? What is your energy? Some kind of disappointments and confusions are there, guys. Doubts are there. Judgment. King of Swords and Death. With these cards, the energy you have, guys, is that you feel you are the responsible person in this relationship, and you are what to say, you are the one deciding everything, and this person, it's not participating in any decision making, or they are not taking any responsibility, and you are really, what to say, feeling sad because of that, because this person is not involving. So whatever needs to be done, you are the one who is taking all that decisions, and you are the one taking the steps you need to do in this relationship. And this may be because of your power and authority, the way you command yourself, and that may also be the reason for the way they feel awkward or stressed, shameful in this relationship. Maybe they feel they are not capable enough, they are not what to say, skilled enough like you, or they don't have the power or authority in their life. So maybe they are not such a person to take any decisions for that matter. So that may be the reason that they are not taking those decisions, and they are in a submissive position, and they are feeling ashamed because of that. That may be the energy here, guys, with these cards. And I see a change coming over in your relationship, guys. So this may either go towards the positive side or the negative side, guys. So this person and yourself, I don't see a great compatibility here with these cards, but nothing is final, guys. These are just cards, so you need to ask yourself, what is your decision? These cards just point out what are the energies in this relationship, but you are the one who has to decide, guys. So that is the energy I feel with these cards. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. I'll be picking one card. Seek within. Just like I said, these cards are just pointing out to you what needs to be corrected. So the power is in your hands. So whatever you feel is right in your heart of hearts, you have to think deeply within yourself, reflect and understand what is the truth, and then you have to take a decision for yourself, guys. You have to be guided by your intuition, whatever you feel is right. You have to think deep within yourself and decide for yourself what you need to do in this particular situation. So that is the reading for you all, Virgos. I hope you like the reading. Please comment if you like the reading. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.